वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
भविष्याचा नंदादीप प्रज्वलित करण्यासाठी अर्थात दीप प्रज्वलन करण्यासाठी मंचावर उपस्थित मान्यवरांना मी विनंती करते की त्यांनी दीप प्रज्वलन करावे।
कापडाची वडी नाही आणलेली का?
कापडाची वडी ठेवली असते ना मग ते पटकन विझून जाते।
फुलं द्यायचं मला
करते। तसेच SR पवार सरांचा सत्कार संदीप थेटे सरांनी करावे अशी विनंती करते। तसेच प्रीतमताई अडव यांचा सत्कार दीपाली मॅडम
Progressive English Medium School. It is my pleasure, my privilege to stand in front of you and get an opportunity to speak about the school in which I am. I am proud to be a student of Progressive English Medium School. Today, I do wanted to say about my school. School is the basic foundation of knowledge being imparted to a child. They help train people with strong morals and ethical standards, which are necessary for success in life. I am Asmita Nishal Patade of Standard 7 from Progressive English Medium School. I am proud to say that this year I took admission here and found a lot of changes in myself. Here, students from different backgrounds come together with purpose to learn. I love attending this school. After all, it is a place where I spend most of my time after my home. Not only that, but still, the atmosphere in my school is so comfortable that it makes me feel at home. You can say it is my second home because I have my friends like Tejaswini, Asmita, Preeti and Khushbu who are nothing less than a family. Most importantly, my school staff is very loving and inspirational. They love and care for us like their own children. What makes a child gifted and talented may not always be good grades in school, but a different way of looking at God and learning. After I came to this school, I found that we have CBSE pattern through you, which is very interesting to study. My teachers are very supportive and explain it so nicely that how I am enjoying my studies. Previously, I was not that good in studies, but just after coming to this school, I truly developed myself in every necessary field. In my school, I have my teachers that make sure I reach my full potential and encourage me to do right thing always. Therefore, I will forever be grateful to my school for being a pillar of strength in my life. Everything that I learned here stays in my mind and heart forever. Education does not change the world. Education changes the people who can change the world. Lastly, I would say a short poem on my school. School is a sampling of wisdom and wealth. It is a place of fun, frolic and festa along with anger, anonymity and sister. My school is a temple of learning, the beginning of man's learning. A school is like a kaleidoscope of exploring, mistake, Einstein and God pondering. It is a house where friends and teachers meet, making the atmosphere full of excitement. My school is always the best for the present and future to rest.